How to select and move all apps at once on iPhone. Struggling to rearrange apps one by one on your iPhone? In this video, you'll learn the easiest trick to select and move all apps at once. This quick method will help you organize your home screen faster and more efficiently. Perfect for anyone who wants a cleaner, smarter iPhone setup in seconds. First, go to the home screen where you would like to select and arrange multiple apps. Gently press and hold any one app until it becomes movable, then drag it slightly with one hand. While holding the first app, use your other hand to tap on the additional apps you want to include in the order you prefer. Next, drag the selected group of apps to your desired home screen and arrange them as you like. Finally, tap Done to confirm and save the arrangement.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.